Delhi is not only a city of people with big hearts but also with big appetites. The passionate love affair Delhiites have with their food has made Delhi a food hub like no one else in India. Here's a list of food items that are a must try. Daulat ki chaat. It is a sweet dish and the most sublime sweet in the world. The dish involves immense effort and expertise. 3-4 hours of just churning milk, followed by leaving it outside all night in the presence of dewdrops. Cheese omelette. Omelette lovers, raise your hand. Khan Omelette Corner is known for its superbly flavorful cheese omelette. This place will change your perception of a variety of dishes that you can whip off out of a humble egg. This food joint offers its visitors a lot of variety to choose from. Shahi Dahi Bhalle, the perfect cooling chaat and the stomach soother. On a hot Delhi day, dahi bhalla consists of creamy dahi or yogurt and bhalla, bready fried lentil fritters, usually of urad dal. Kulle ki chaat. Ever heard of kulle ki chaat? This delectably loaded fruit vegetable chaat is a must try in Delhi. Momos. Momos are one of the most loved street foods in Delhi today. Dolma Auntie Momos is touted as the first ever momo thela that was established. Fateh Chand Kachori. If you are a true Dilli wala, it is unlikely that you have not heard of Fateh Chand Kachori wale. The preparation is a lip-smacking mixture of chickpeas mixed with sweet and sour chutney. The mixture is served with fried kachoris sprinkled with coriander and a concoction of Indian masalas and a squeeze of lime juice. Choor choor naan. The delicious choor choor naan is the beloved desi bread that Delhiites can't get enough of. This doughy bread, stuffed with sumptuous fillings and topped with generous helpings of butter, has quickly become Delhi's most savoured guilty pleasure. Malai Chap Roll. The Delhi version of these Malai Chap Rolls will keep you on your toes no matter where you try them. Every roll wala in Delhi has his own special ingredient to make this tasty goodness all the more delish. Omelette kulcha plus chicken cheese omelette. Billu Omelette Point, known for its scrumptious omelettes, kulchas and even shawarmas. This place is a gem for a true egg lover. Butter omelette kulcha has omelette stuffed in a kulcha and overloaded with butter. While we have all tried naans stuffed with our favorite veggies and meat, have you ever tried one with the stuffing of sinful chocolate? Delve in some lip-smacking chocolate naans that you should definitely try in Delhi. Chinese chaat is basically an out-of-the-world mixture of many Chinese dishes put together to make something absolutely scrummy. So go mixing and matching as you add those yummy chicken Manchurian in a plate of steaming chili paneer. Shahi Sheermal is essentially a tandoori roti that's sweet, glistening with ghee and is just brilliant. It's the subtlest sweet that exists, not sweet enough to hurt your tongue. Bhalle Papdi Chaat. Famous Bhalla Papdi chaat from the streets of Delhi is one of the most popular street chaats. Dahi vadas are mixed with crunchy papdi and sweet tangy tamarind chutney and spicy green chutney to make a flavorful dish. Chicken thali. If you have a ravenous appetite, then this chicken thali is a must try. This thali is so huge, it takes more than 4 people to finish it. The non-vegetarian thali includes chicken, mutton and fish preparations, vegetables and kebabs of various kinds. Delhi is a city brimming with culture and diversity, and it is indeed a foodie's paradise. So when you're planning a trip to Delhi, do not forget to add these places to your itinerary. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more such amazing content.